National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Louisa County, Fluvanna County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Centenary, or 10 miles west of Fort Union, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Palmyra and Lake Monticello around 6:15 p.m. Troy around 6:25 p.m. Ferncliff around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mayer, Shores, Zion Crossroads, Central Plains, Antioch, Union Mills, Wildwood, Bybee, Cohasset, and Hardware. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.